Blackpoll Warbler is a small songbird with a short tail and a small, thin bill. Compared to the other warbler species, they have a visibly longer wing. Breeding males are black and white with a distinctive black cap and white cheeks. Breeding females are streaky black and white and gray, without the black cap or white cheek. Both sexes have 2 white wing bars and orange legs. Their non-breeding plumage is a greenish-yellow above, with dark streaking along the back. Their face is a pale yellow with a dark eyeline. Blackpoll warblers are generally found in forested areas where they search amongst the leaves and forage around the tree trunks looking for spiders, caterpillars, beetles, and ants.